comes a moment in every person's life when everything feels silent. Not because the world has stopped talking, but because hope itself seems to have disappeared. You wake up every morning carrying invisible burdens that no one else can see. You smile when people are watching, but deep inside you wonder if your best days are already behind you. Perhaps you failed too many times. Perhaps you've been betrayed by someone you trusted. Perhaps life has taken away opportunities you worked so hard to build. Or perhaps you simply feel forgotten. If that's where you are today, I want you to remember one thing. A forgotten season is not the end of your story. Look at nature. The tallest trees spend years growing roots before anyone notices their height. The brightest diamonds spend millions of years buried beneath unimaginable pressure. Even the sunrise must first pass through the darkest hour
This
of
whole
the night.
rig is shaking up.
Life follows the same
That's a
pattern.
nasty crack.
Pain is often preparation. Failure is often education. Waiting is often transformation. Many people believe successful individuals were simply lucky. But if you ask those who have truly accomplished great things, you'll discover a different story. Behind every success are thousands of unseen moments. The mornings they wanted to quit. The nights they cried alone. The sacrifices no one applauded. The mistakes nobody celebrates. Success is rarely built in public. It is built quietly, when nobody is watching. One of the greatest mistakes we make is comparing our beginning to someone else's middle. Social media shows highlights. Real life happens behind closed doors. Every masterpiece was once an unfinished sketch. Every athlete once struggled to run. Every entrepreneur once feared failure. Every leader once doubted themselves. Every confident person was once insecure. Growth is never instant. It is gradual, almost invisible. Just like sunrise. You don't notice each second. Yet suddenly, the whole sky is filled with light. The same thing is happening in your life, even if you cannot see it today. Small decisions shape enormous futures. Reading one page every day. Learning one new skill every week. Saving a little money consistently. Choosing kindness instead of anger. Forgiving instead of carrying bitterness. Taking one more step after every setback. These tiny actions appear insignificant, but compounded over months and years, they completely transform a person's destiny. Life is less about giant breakthroughs and more about daily disciplines. Character is not created during comfort. Character is revealed during hardship. Anyone can smile when life is easy. Anyone can believe when everything works. The true test comes when nothing goes according to plan. Will you continue? Will you remain honest? Will you choose integrity? Will you keep moving forward? Those moments define who you become. Never underestimate patience. A farmer never plants a seed in the morning and expects fruit by evening. They water, they protect, they wait. Growth requires seasons. Your dreams require seasons too. Sometimes the delay isn't punishment. Sometimes it is protection. Sometimes you are still becoming the person capable of handling the blessing you are asking for. Remember this: Your value is not determined by your current situation. A broken clock is still beautifully designed. A dusty painting is still priceless. An abandoned classic car still carries legendary engineering beneath years of rust. Likewise, your worth has never disappeared. It may simply be hidden beneath disappointment, fear, rejection, or failure. Do not confuse your condition with your identity. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past. You are not your worst decision. You are not the opinions of people who underestimated you. You are far greater than the chapter you are living right now. Life has a remarkable way of restoring those who refuse to give up. Every challenge teaches wisdom. Every scar tells a story. Every failure develops resilience. Every obstacle builds strength. One day, you'll look back and realize that the moments you wanted to quit became the very moments that shaped your greatest victories. So keep moving. Keep learning. Keep believing. Even if your progress feels painfully slow. Because the greatest restorations never happen overnight. They happen one decision, one lesson, one sunrise, and one courageous step at a time.
20 years ago, this legendary Bigfoot was nothing more than a forgotten relic abandoned in a lonely scrapyard, covered in rust, mud, and silence.